Marcus Wolford here. It's come to my attention that we have some very physically weak men and women covering our weather right now. Because of this, I'm going to do my part by offering 10% off my Be Ready for the Weather strength training program. You don't believe me? Just watch this terrifying clip.
Picking it up here in Wilmington, North Carolina, right at the Intracoastal, and we're in one of these bands. This is about as nasty as it's been. We had some bands like this last night, and then the eyewall this morning, we were not on TV. It was the dark and raucous night at the hotel. And this wind gusting again.
Good morning. Well, obviously we're getting a nice break from the rain, but not the flooding. This is essentially now a part of the Passaic River in this neighborhood. It rushed in yesterday through the streets, and it's really tough to control a canoe or a boat when you're out in it. It's much deeper.